Kawasaki Ninja Best First Motorcycle for Beginners. The world of motorcycling beckons with promises of freedom, adventure, and an intimate connection with the open road. For beginners taking their first leap into this exhilarating world, the choice of their first motorcycle holds immense significance. Among the myriad options, the Kawasaki Ninja series, renowned for its accessible power, sleek design, and rider-friendly attributes, emerges as an exceptional choice for novice riders. With its balanced performance, dynamic aesthetics, and beginner-focused features, the Ninja series provides a compelling entry point for beginners to embark on a journey of skill development, excitement, and exploration. Balanced performance and approachable power. At the heart of the Kawasaki Ninja series lies a commitment to balanced performance and accessible power. From the Ninja 250 to the Ninja 400 and beyond, these motorcycles sport engines that offer a harmonious blend of power and manageability. Novice riders can experience the exhilaration of sport riding while maintaining confidence and control. Sleek design and timeless aesthetics. The Ninja series is renowned for its sleek and dynamic design that transcends generations. Whether it's the bold lines of the Ninja 400 or the iconic silhouette of the Ninja 650, these motorcycles embody timeless aesthetics that capture the spirit of sport riding. Novice riders not only enjoy the thrill of riding but also embrace the legendary allure that defines the Ninja series. Comfortable ergonomics and rider-centric layout. Thoughtfully designed for comfort, the Ninja series offers ergonomic riding positions that ensure rider comfort during both spirited rides and extended journeys. The well-positioned handlebars, foot pegs, and slightly lean-forward postures contribute to a rider-centric setup that enhances the overall riding experience. Agile handling and nimble maneuverability. Kawasaki Ninjas are celebrated for their agile handling and rider-friendly maneuverability, making them ideal choices for novice sport riders. Lightweight chassis, responsive characteristics, and precision engineering empower riders to confidently navigate corners, city streets, and varying road conditions. Safety features and learning confidence. Safety takes precedence for beginner riders. Many Ninja models come equipped with features like optional ABS, anti-lock braking system, enhancing braking control and stability. These safety features instill confidence in novices as they learn to master the motorcycle's sport-oriented performance. Versatile performance for varied riding. The Ninja series offers versatility that extends beyond sport riding. Novice riders can seamlessly transition between urban commutes and spirited rides on open roads, all while experiencing the adaptable and exhilarating performance that Ninjas provide. Community and rider connection. Enthusiasts of the Kawasaki Ninja brand foster a welcoming community that embraces beginners. Becoming part of this community offers novices access to shared experiences, valuable insights, and connections with fellow riders who share a passion for sport riding and the Ninja series' performance-driven attributes. Skill growth and riding mastery. The Kawasaki Ninja series encourages skill development as beginners build confidence. Riders can progressively explore the motorcycle's capabilities, refine their riding techniques, and fully immerse themselves in the world of sport riding. Long-term riding satisfaction. The Kawasaki Ninja series isn't merely an entry point, it's a companion for the rider's journey ahead. Its sporty performance, dynamic design, and brand reputation ensure that riders can continue to enjoy the Ninjas as they evolve from novice riders to experienced sport enthusiasts. Conclusion. The Kawasaki Ninja series represents Kawasaki's commitment to providing an accessible and sport-oriented introduction to the world of motorcycling for beginners. With its balanced performance, dynamic design, and dedication to rider comfort and safety, the Ninja series offers an immersive gateway to the excitement of sport riding. By choosing a Kawasaki Ninja as their first motorcycle, novice riders embark on a journey characterized by growth, skill enhancement, and the embrace of a community that shares their passion for speed, agility, and the exhilaration of conquering the open road on two wheels.